crocodile invited the monkey over for dinner, but didn't mention he was the dinner. On a sunny riverbank, a clever monkey often chatted with a crocodile. One day, the croc said, "Come home with me for a meal. Hop on my back." But halfway across the river, he confessed, "My wife wants to eat your heart." The monkey stayed calm. "You should have told me earlier," he said. "I left my heart in the tree." The crocodile turned back, and as soon as they reached shore, the monkey sprang to safety and called out, "Tell your wife she needs a smarter husband." Sometimes wit is stronger than muscle. Subscribe for more timeless stories from around the world, new shorts every week.